we divide 660 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 6 and it is 16. 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 0 and it is 10. So 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 660 divided by 5 is 132. So this much for today and thanks for watching.